Hello, thrill seekers. Today, we're shifting gears to reveal the top 5 fastest police cars in the world. From high-speed chases to jaw-dropping performances, these patrol vehicles are anything but ordinary. Let's dive in. Number 5. The Japan Police Nissan GT-R, capable of reaching speeds up to 196 mph, 315 km/h, represents one of the fastest patrol vehicles used by law enforcement. This high-speed capability is thanks to its powerful 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 engine. The vehicle's performance is complemented by police modifications, including sirens, lights, and communication equipment, allowing officers to respond rapidly to emergencies. This extraordinary speed emphasizes Japan's commitment to efficient law enforcement and rapid response, showcasing a blend of advanced automotive engineering and public safety. Number 4. The Lamborghini Huracan police car, used in Italy, is a high-performance vehicle designed for both showcasing and operational purposes. With a top speed of around 202 mph, 325 km/h, it serves as a symbol of Italian excellence and technological prowess. Introduced by the Italian State Police, the Huracan is equipped with advanced features for high-speed pursuits and public relations. It also carries emergency medical equipment, including a defibrillator, reflecting its dual role in emergency response. While primarily used for ceremonial events and promoting the police force's modern image, it can also support high-speed interventions when necessary. Number 3. The Czech Republic Police Ferrari 458. Italia is an exceptionally fast patrol car with a top speed of 202 mph, 325 km/h. This high-performance sports car features a 4.5-liter V8 engine, delivering impressive acceleration and handling. Equipped with police modifications like sirens, lights, and communication systems, it enhances rapid response capabilities for Czech law enforcement. The use of such a high-speed vehicle underscores a commitment to advanced policing techniques and efficient emergency response. The Ferrari 458, Italia's speed and agility provide a unique asset in high-priority situations, reflecting both technological innovation and effective law enforcement. Number 2. The Abu Dhabi Police Lykan Hypersport is an extraordinary patrol car known for its incredible top speed of 245 mph, 394 km/h. This luxury sports car features a 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six engine, delivering exceptional performance and acceleration. It stands out with its high-tech design, including diamond-encrusted headlights and a sleek aerodynamic profile. Equipped with police modifications such as sirens and communication systems, the Lykan Hypersport enhances rapid response capabilities. Its inclusion in the Abu Dhabi police fleet underscores a commitment to combining advanced technology with law enforcement, showcasing both the opulence and efficiency in modern policing. Number 1. The Bugatti Veyron police car, used by the United Arab Emirates, particularly in Dubai, is a high-performance vehicle renowned for its exceptional speed. With a top speed of around 253 mph, 407 km/h, it is one of the fastest police cars globally. The UAE introduced this luxury sports car to enhance its image and demonstrate its commitment to high-tech law enforcement. The Veyron's role includes high-profile patrols and promotional events, showcasing the UAE's wealth and technological advancement. Despite its speed, it's not used for regular policing, but rather for ceremonial and visibility purposes. That wraps up our look at the fastest police cars on the planet. Which one impressed you the most? Drop a comment, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.